see. Very interesting. Okay. This here is if I get stuck somewhere. Or maybe if I take a ferry or something and I need to tie the bike up. And if I get stuck and the bike falls over, this is also gonna help me pull it up, because with all of this weight, I mean also without all of this weight, sometimes it's really hard for me to pick it up. Almost impossible. Yeah, that's all is in there. And now we got to the box here. Okay, so here some clothes I didn't put in the regular spot. Some sheets, rope, thermal pants, and a shirt. Spare ones, because I already have two that are on me most of the time. Cover for the motorcycle. Bungee ropes, bungee cable, I mean. Oh, net. Yeah, net. Sorry about my English. And this is how's it called? Emergency blanket. And another rope. Sleeping bag. Yeah. How are you?
Good, yourself?
Huh?
How you doing?
Great. That's it, actually. Oh, forgot this part. Tank bag. Let's put everything back. But I need to put it back good. Here. We've got flashlight for the headlight. This is to clean the helmet. Spare batteries, more. And all of my food. Yeah, this is kind of powder, protein powder. Tea, and lots of food. This is all my food. I've thought about that. I've thought about it, like, if I'm camping, in places with bears, let's say. I'm not used to this, because in my country there aren't any bears. In Israel, well, so they told me I have to tie the bag really up on a tree, so I just said that this is the only bag I can do that with. Okay, zipper. Oh no. Okay, I hope it's gonna be okay. It's a cheap bag, but it's pretty good, I mean, for the size. I hope this zipper is gonna be okay. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, and these parts, so this is the thing. It's connected with this thing here, because here it's gonna be too long, and this is the only way I found for it not to move around too much. So I connected this under the seat to this zipper, which isn't such a good idea, but maybe I should buy another bungee cable for here to tie it shorter. But anyway, I'm not gonna open this. I don't have these two sides or stuff that I'm not gonna use most of the time. That's why I put them in this place. But anyway, I'm gonna use them only going camping. There's a fishing rod inside, a small one. There is a few other stuff, flashlights, and maybe stuff against mosquitoes. And anyway, all the stuff I take out only when I'm at a campsite, so I don't need to take it out when I'm riding There's also this pocket here. Put a flashlight here also. And here's a really cute thing. Bag with my spare keys inside. Spare keys for everything. And a spare charger also. Well, you wanna hear how the engine sounds? Let's put the choke on the middle, and I think it will start anyway, but it's starting to be a little bit cold. Let's close this for a second. Okay, here it is. Adjusted everything. Sounds just right. Everything's ready. Everything's ready, but it's so heavy. It's gonna be hard. Leaving tomorrow morning. Hope it's gonna be okay. That's it for now, guys and girls. Have a great weekend and day and evening from beautiful Utah.